4, we saw the preparatory scene, how Portia was getting herself ready for Act 4, Scene 1. Okay, Act 4, Scene 1 is the heart of MOV. It is the main scene of MOV, very very intense. And Act 3, Scene 4 में last हम लोगों ने ये देखा था that Portia and Nerissa are leaving for Venice. So we need that time gap to cross, that she reaches Venice. Also Bassanio Graciano भी Venice पहुंच रहे हैं, इसीलिए Act 3 Scene 5 is introduced in the drama as a filler scene. Also it is going to amuse or entertain the audience because Act 4 Scene 1 is going to be a very very intense one. Okay, so Act 3 Scene 5 there are only a few important points which I'll give you. Baki this is not much a significant scene, at least I can say not so much important कि we can expect it in the boards. But we will have to do this because there may be 1 or 2 questions from here. And remember तुम्हें Act 4 Scene 1 आ सकता है, Act 3 Scene 4 आ सकता है, लेकिन उसके जो questions होंगे they can be from anywhere of your syllabus. So you need to know everything, especially for MCQs. So don't take this too less. Scene 5, Belmont, a garden. Enter Lancelot and Jessica. Now this entire scene takes place between Lorenzo, Jessica and Lancelot. The scene begins with Lancelot and Jessica. Understand Lancelot and Jessica. Many of my students always mistake Lancelot and Lorenzo. तो यहाँ पे scene begins with Lancelot and Jessica. Who is Lancelot? Servant. He was Shylock's servant, hence shared a very friendly bond with Jessica, who left Shylock's service and went to work with Bassanio. Act 2 Scene 2. Act 2 Scene 3, we had known what is the relationship that Jessica and Lancelot share. That is a very good friendly bond between each other. तो अब यहाँ पे Scene 4 में हमने देखा Portia has given the control and management of her house to Lorenzo and Jessica. इसीलिए Lancelot भी यहाँ रुका है. He did not go back to Venice. He is also over here with Lorenzo and Jessica, and right now serving as a head servant to other servants of Portia. Portia के दूसरे servants का वो head है right now. Okay?
अरे मिस मतलब लॉन्सलॉट तो પેલા બસાનિયો સર્વન્ટ
હજી भी એનો જ છે. He still Bassanio's servant, but he has not gone with Bassanio to Venice. He is here. He came from Venice to Belmont with Bassanio and he stayed back. He is not gone there.
Okay, do not do that.
What?
That Lancelot is also going.
No, but now you can assume. No?
Why?
Lancelot.
Please jawab do.
Yes, truly. For look you, the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. Therefore, I promise you, I fear you. I was always playing with you. And so, now I speak my agitation of the matter. Is that important?
Yes, 10 marks.
What is it?
Fellow question. August
Para-
month.
Why right now?
Mughal. No.
Do you understand that a recording is going on? Yes, truly. He says, truly, I tell you, for the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. Whatever sins your father commit, they have to be tolerated by you. तो ऐसे कहा जाता है कि जो पेरेंट्स सिंस करते हैं उनका भुगतान बच्चों को करना पड़ता है. So the daughter, that is Jessica, will have to tolerate the sins of her own father. That is Shylock. Shylock is a sinner. उसके sins की सजा किसे मिलने वाली है? Jessica. According to Lancelot. Therefore, I promise you, I fear you. I really promise you, I am afraid. I fear you. I was always plain with you, plain, honest. Whatever I am saying, I expect you to keep writing, plain, honest.
પણ આજે જેસિકા હતી અને લોન્સલોટ સારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ હતા ને લાસ્ટમાં જેવું બરોબર કેમ આવું બોલે છે કૃષ્ણ?
મજાક કરે છે તારા ફ્રેન્ડ લોકો સાથે હંમેશા સિરિયસ હોય. I was always plain with you, that is honest with you, and so now I speak my agitation of the matter. Agitation means anger, but here he means cogitation. You remember his habit of inverting words. Here he means cogitation. Cogitation yani deep thought. I want to present my thought over this matter. Therefore, be of good cheer. Please be happy. For truly, I think you are damned. I think you are cursed. You are cursed, as in you cannot go to heaven. Already, एक Jewish और Christian belief होती है that Jews can never go to heaven because they are not believers of Jesus Christ. तो इसीलिए ये कह रहा है कि since you are a Jew, the sins of your father will be borne by you, and so you are cursed. You are damned. Cursed. Cursed means heaven नहीं आएगा. Damned is this D-A-M-N-E-D. That is D-A-M. Only D-A-M. Jessica. I shall be saved by my husband. He hath made me a Christian. Don't worry. I am saved because now I am a Christian. My husband has made me a Christian, तो मुझे heaven नसीब जरूर होगा. Lancelot. Truly the more to blame he. We were Christians in now before, even as many as could well live one by another. Actually, he is to blame. We were Christians enough before. पहले भी हम enough Christians थे, and we lived cordially with each other. This making of Christians will raise the price of hogs. अगर ऐसे ही लोग Jews से Christians बनते गए, ऐसे ही लोग ट्रांसफॉर्म होते गए, it is going to raise the price of hogs. Hogs is pork, pig's meat. Remember Act 1 Scene 3, Jews were forbidden to eat pork. लेकिन अगर Jews Christians बनते गए, Christians can freely eat pork. तो ऐसे अगर demand of pork is increased, the price will also increase. क्योंकि जैसे जैसे Jews Christians बनते जाएंगे, pork की डिमांड बढ़ती जाएगी. अगर pork की डिमांड बढ़ी तो उसका प्राइस बढ़ेगा. If we grow all to be pork eaters, अगर ऐसे ही सब कोई pork eaters बन गए, we shall not shortly have a rasher on the coals for money. Then whatever price we are ready to pay, we will not get even a single slice of bacon on the fire. Rasher, slice of bacon, which is pig's meat. Rasher means a slice of bacon. On the fire, on the heat, यानी roast या bake करके हमें एक भी slice of bacon नहीं मिलेगा अगर हम ऐसे ही हर कोई pork eaters बनते गए at whatever price we are ready to offer. Understood this? Jessica. I'll tell my husband Lancelot what you say. Here he comes. Wait, I'll complain about you to my husband. वो आ रहा है. Enter Lorenzo. Lorenzo. I shall grow jealous of you shortly, Lancelot, if you thus get my wife into corners. If you take my wife into corners and start talking to her like this, I will very soon start getting jealous about you. Jessica. Nay, you need not fear us. Lancelot and I are out. So Jessica says, no, we need not fear. तुम्हें अब हमारे दोनों के बीच में कुछ होगा नहीं, डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, because we are out. We are out means we have quarreled. What is the meaning of we are out? We have quarreled. He tells me flatly there is no mercy for me in heaven because I am a Jew's daughter. Very bluntly, he tells me that I cannot come to heaven because I am a Jew's daughter. And he says, you are no good member of the Commonwealth. For in converting Jews to Christians, you raise the price of pork. तो मेरे बारे में ऐसा बोल रहा है कि मुझे हेवन नसीब नहीं होगा क्योंकि मैं जूइश डॉटर हूँ, और तुम्हारे लिए ऐसे बोल रहा है that you are not a good member of the Commonwealth. Commonwealth यानी Christian community. You are not a good member of the Christian community because you are responsible for converting Jews to Christians and thereby increasing the price of pork. So तुम्हारी वजह से pork की price बढ़ेगी क्योंकि तू responsible है Jews को convert करने में into Christians. To Lancelot. Now यहाँ से this page I want no nonsense. Because this page has the maximum puns, okay? Go in Sirah, bid them prepare for dinner. The use of words. One word which can mean I have two meanings. He started playing with words now. Lancelot. Both. Go in Sirah, Sirah यानी servant, bid them prepare for dinner. उनको बोलो dinner के लिए तैयार हो जाए. What do you think Lorenzo or Jessica mean by this? Bid them prepare for dinner यानी क्या? Servants को कहो कि डिनर के लिए प्रिपेयर हो जाए. मतलब हम खाना खाने आ रहे हैं तो डिनर के लिए प्रिपेयर हो जाए. Look at how Lancelot interprets this line. Lancelot, that is done, sir. They have all stomachs. They have all stomachs यानी they are all hungry. हाँ, तो आप डिनर के लिए बोल रहे हो ना, वो लोग तो कब से हंग्री है. They are ready to eat dinner. He interprets it that way. Lorenzo, goodly lord, what a wit snapper are you? Wit snapper, witty person. What a witty person are you? Then bid them prepare dinner. उसने अपने ही डायलॉग से वो for हटा दिया. उसने कहा then bid them, उनको इंस्ट्रक्ट करो कि डिनर बनाए, डिनर तैयार करे. डिनर के लिए तैयार नहीं, डिनर तैयार करे. Let them prepare the dinner for us. Lancelot, that is done too, sir. Only cover is the word. वो भी हो चुका है, आप सिर्फ cover कहो and it will be done. Now cover in those times was a term used for laying the table. मतलब वो प्लेट्स, बोल्स, जितने भी सर्विंग के लिए चीज़ें हैं, whatever they made, all that is laid down on the table. उसके लिए एक टर्म था cover. But Lorenzo misinterprets it now. Will you cover them, sir? So Lorenzo कहता है कि अच्छा, तो अब तू cover भी करेगा. This cover, by this Lorenzo means that will you cover your head in front of me? In those times, servants were not allowed to cover their heads in front of their masters. It was taken as a symbol of disrespect to the masters. तो जब अगर कोई मास्टर सामने है तो सर्वेंट हैट या कुछ भी पहन नहीं सकता है. It was a symbol of disrespect. तो ये कह रहा है कि अच्छा तो तू अब कवर भी करेगा मेरे सामने, मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ है. Lancelot, not so sir, neither. I know my duty. He says cover यानी वो कवर में मीन नहीं कर रहा था. I know my duty. मुझे अपनी ड्यूटी पता है. I cannot cover in front of you. Lorenzo, yet more quarreling with occasion. Quarreling, debating. Occasion, word, right? Quarreling, debating. Occasion, word. Word, W-O-R-D. Yet will you debate with words? Will thou show the whole wealth of thy wit in an instant? Are you planning to show all your intelligence in just this moment? मतलब तेरे अंदर जितनी भी होशियारी है वो सब इसी एक ही मिनट में सब दिखाना है. I pray thee, understand a plain man in his plain meaning. I request you, I am a plain man. Understand my words in its plain meaning. Go to thy fellows, bid them cover the table, serve in the meat, and we will come into dinner. मैं simple instruction तुझे दे रहा हूँ. Go to thy fellows, go to your fellow servants.
Friend.
Tell them, cover the table. Cover the table यानी lay the table. Serve in the meat. Meat को serve करे and we will come into dinner. Now see how Lancelot inverts the words. Lancelot. For the table, sir, it shall be served in. For the meat, sir, it shall be covered. तो मैं टेबल सर्व कर दूंगा, मीट को कवर कर दूंगा. कवर क्या करना था? टेबल. सर्व क्या करना था? मीट. बट ही सेज यू कम, वी विल कवर द मीट एंड सर्व द टेबल. टेबल तुम्हारे सामने रख देंगे, जब तुम खाने बैठोगे मीट को कवर कर देंगे. ओके. फॉर योर कमिंग इन टू डिनर, सर, वाई? Let it be as humors and conceits shall govern. And जहाँ तक आपके आने की बात है, well, come whenever you please. जब भी आना है तभी आ जाओ, डिनर रेडी है. And then he exits. इतना कह के वो एग्जिट कर देता है. Lorenzo, oh dear discretion, how his words are suited. Oh dear discretion, how his words are suited. वो क्या words use करता है?
Discretion in English.
Discretion means intelligence.
Oh wow.
Wit. The fool had planted in his memory an army of good words. This fool has planted, has memorized an army of good words in his brain. उसके पास कितने words हैं ऐसे? And I do know a many fools that stand in better place, garnished like him, that for a tricksy word defy the matter. I know many such people who have this talent of tricking people with words, of confusing people with words, and who stand in a better position, who get better jobs as a professional jester and stay garnished like him. Garnished यानी decorative. पता है ना, लॉन्सेलॉट को एक डेकोरेटिव यूनिफॉर्म मिला है फ्रॉम बसानियो. ही इज नॉट गॉट दैट यूजुअल यूनिफॉर्म ऑफ अदर सर्वेंट्स. रिमेंबर, स्टीफेनो को वो कहता है एक्ट 2 सीन 2 में, मेक अ यूनिफॉर्म विच इज डिफरेंट फॉर हिम. तो ऐसे उस जमाने में जो लोग विटी होते हैं बोलने में, हु हैव प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड व्हाइल स्पीकिंग, दे आर अपॉइंटेड एज प्रोफेशनल जेस्टर्स बाय द नोबिलिटी. तो उनका काम यही होता है कि वो दे अम्यूज पीपल व्हेन सच नोबल पीपल गो फॉर वॉयजेस. वो उनके साथ जाते हैं सो दैट व्हेन दे फील होमसिक और व्हेन दे फील डल और सैड, ये जेस्टर्स उन्हें हंसाते हैं, दे अम्यूज देम. ओके. सो एंड सच प्रोफेशनल जेस्टर्स आर पेड ऑल्सो वेरी वेल, दे हैव अ गुड रेप्यूटेशन ऑल्सो. सो हियर लोरेंजो सेज कि ऐसे मैंने बहुत सारे देखे हैं हु आर वेरी वेल प्लेस्ड, just like this person who can easily confuse people with words. समझे? So this is a talent. How cheerest thou, Jessica? Are you happy, Jessica? And now, good sweet, say thy opinion. How dost thou like the Lord Bassanio's wife? Now tell me, how do you like Lord Bassanio's wife? तुम्हें पोर्शिया कैसी लगी? Now this is the important part in this scene कि जेसिका का ओपिनियन क्या है on of Portia. Jessica, past all expressing beyond expression. I can't even express how good Portia is. It is very meet the Lord Bassanio lived an upright life. Now it is very important. Meet यानी significant, important, suitable, that he should live an upright life. He should start living a noble life. He cannot afford living the same life that he used to live in Venice. जैसे irresponsible था, spendthrift था, तो वैसे अभी वो नहीं जी सकेगा because now he has such a good woman as his wife. For having such a blessing in his lady, he finds the joys of heaven here on earth. Since he has got Portia as his wife, he finds the joys of heaven right here on earth.
Heaven.
तो उसे heavenly bliss feel होगी, experience होगी with Portia's company as a wife. And if on earth he do not merit it, in reason he should
Not
never
need
come
it,
to
sir.
heaven.
Need nothing.
इन यहाँ पे ऑन अर्थ अगर वो इस हेवन को वैल्यू नहीं कर सकता, मेरिट इट यानी वैल्यू इट. इफ ऑन अर्थ ही कैन नॉट वैल्यू दिस हेवन, देन In reality, he should never come to heaven. बसानियो क्रिश्चियन है, उसे डेफिनेटली हेवन नसीब होगा. तो अगर अब यहाँ पे अर्थ पे वो इस हेवन यानी कि पोर्शिया को वैल्यू नहीं कर पाया, उसकी वर्थ नहीं समझ पाया, देन इन रियलिटी ही शुड नेवर गेट हेवन. तो उसे बिहेव करना पड़ेगा. अब वाई
બેઝ પર મીન રીડ છે, મેરિટેડ નથી.
मेडिटेट.
મીન રીડ છે, પૂછો બધાને. મેરિટ. It did not mean it.
Actually it is merit यानी value. Even if it is mean, it means value.
તો બી estimate કરવાનો. શું આવશે?
Why? If two gods should play some heavenly match and on the wager lay two earthly women and Portia won, there must be something else pawned with the other, for the poor rude world hath not her fellow. Understand this very clearly. If two heavenly gods are playing a wager, they are playing a bet, and the bet price is two earthly women, और उन earthly women में अगर एक पोर्शिया है, then वो दूसरी वुमेन के साथ कुछ और वैल्यू ऐड करना पड़ेगा, bond with something else, so that she becomes equal in value to Portia, because this crude world does not have a woman as good as Portia. जैसे तुम लोग अगर एक बेट लगाते हो, remember, understand this. If you people have a bet or play a bet कि अगर मैं जीता तो तू मुझे 50 रुपीज़ देगा, अगर तू जीता तो मैं तुझे 50 दूंगा, तो वो 50-50 की वैल्यू सेम होती है ना. दैट इज़ द बेट मनी और दैट इज़ द बेट प्राइस. तो अगर वो बेट प्राइस के बदले हेवनली गॉड्स ने अर्थली विमेन को रखा और उनमें से अगर एक पोर्शिया होगी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ पोर्शिया इज 100 रुपीज़, तो देन यहाँ पे जो दूसरी अर्थली वुमन है शी विल नेवर बी 100, तो उसके साथ कुछ और वैल्यू ऐड करनी पड़ेगी सो दैट शी बिकम्स इक्वल इन वैल्यू टू पोर्शिया. देन ओनली इट विल बी एन इक्वल बेट अमाउंट और अ बेट प्राइस, बिकॉज दिस क्रूअल वर्ल्ड डज नॉट हैव एनीवन हु इज एज गुड एज वर्दी एज पोर्शिया. समझे? ये लाइन समझ में आई? यस. Any doubt? Lorenzo, even such a husband has thou of me as she is for a wife. Lorenzo कहता है कि जितनी अच्छी वो वाइफ है, मैं भी तो उतना ही अच्छा हस्बैंड हूँ तुम्हारा. Jessica, nay, but ask my opinion too of that. She says no. इसके लिए मेरा भी तो opinion पूछ, whether you are so good or no. Lorenzo, I will anon. First let us go to dinner. I will soon. Anon यानी soon. मैं पूछूंगा, लेकिन उसके पहले let us go for dinner. Jessica, nay, let me praise you while I have a stomach. While I have a stomach, while I have an inclination to praise you. मेरा मूड अभी अच्छा है, मुझे प्रेज कर लेने दो. Let me praise you while I have an inclination to praise you. Lorenzo, no, pray thee, let it serve for table talk. No, I request you, let this serve for table talk. यानी डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठ के बातें करेंगे, उसके लिए ये टॉपिक बचा के रख. Then, howsoever thou speakest, among other things, I shall digest it. फिर चाहे तू मेरे बारे में कुछ भी बोल, मैं खाने की दूसरी आइटम्स के साथ इसे भी डाइजेस्ट कर लूँ. I will digest every comment that you make for me along with other food that we are eating. Jessica, well, I'll set you forth. यानी I will praise you. Don't worry. मतलब कोई नेगेटिव कमेंट्स नहीं है, मैं तेरा प्रेज ही करने वाली हूँ. Don't worry. And they exit.